Okay, guys, now it's time for a sentimental story. I actually, if I have to be very honest, some of the most exciting experiences I've ever had, and most sentimental ones maybe, were the different conferences I've been attending. I can remember the Bitcoin conference where I went 2 years ago in El Salvador. That was a really exciting and exotic place to go. And I also remember my first startup conference, which was back in Munich 2016. It was called Startup Safari. And what I would do is I would go there. At that time I was the typical corporate guy, so I was really feeling out of place there. I was saying, okay, people will recognize I'm not an entrepreneur, I'm not a startup founder. Well, what actually happened after that is that I went there. It was really exciting. I met many people during the lectures, but also during the different networking sessions they had, the happy hours they had, and so on. And actually, I think this is what made me decide that this year we are going to build something like this in Bulgaria so that we can have it, and then Bulgarian can also proudly say we do have a startup conference and it's huge and it's amazing and everyone should come and see our country and should see how great it is and how talented the people are. And that's what we are doing now, right? But if you think about it, this only happened because I had gone to one of these places, I had gotten inspiration, and I had decided what I want to do later, right? It developed for a lot of time. If you think about it, I went 2016, now it's 2024 where we are doing that, we're bringing it to life. But I generally believe that ideas sometimes need to mature in our heads, they need to form, and when the right time comes, then we can start working on them. So that's why I'm encouraging you, for everyone who is wondering if they want to become an entrepreneur, or for everyone who is already having successful business and wants to make it even more successful. If you have nothing to do on the 8th, 9th and 10th of November, we're going to be waiting for you here. I just showed you so many sessions we're going to have. It's going to be so interactive. You're going to have opportunities for investor speed dating, client speed dating. We're going to have a pitching competition with 200,000 in different term sheets and services that you can win. We're going to have more than 50 sessions. There are 8 workshops. There is a hackathon happening, right? Like, we're going to be in 4 locations. It's going to be crazy. Dimitar Berbatov is coming as well. The mayor will be with us. The Sofia mayor will also be with us. So there are going to be so many opportunities to be here, to meet so many people. And I promise you that we're going to create the memories for you that I had back then. And that these memories one day are going to encourage you to create something bigger, something very exciting that you are going to be proud of. That's my plan with Startup Bulgaria, right? So I'm going to see you very soon, 8th to 10th of November. If you haven't gotten your ticket, just head to startupbulgaria.eu and do it. Actually, before you head there, maybe also check some of the communities that you belong to, because I don't know if we made it clear enough, but every time you're buying ticket through the codes of some of your communities, you're actually getting a discount first. Second, they're getting paid. Like, we're going to donate some money back to them because they brought us visitors. And you're also donating money to the Dimitar Berbatov Foundation. And what's the main objective there? The main objective is to develop talent and inspire people. And that's exactly perfectly aligned with what we are doing. So what is better than to have the opportunity to learn, to develop, to build new connections, and at the same time also to donate, so that more people have the opportunity to do that. So once again, 8th till 10th of November, we're going to see you here. It's getting excited, we're getting prepared. It's going to be amazing, I promise. Augie promises. And just come here, make sure that you talk to as many people as you can, that you get into as many sessions as you can. Get one or two learnings that you really want to apply to what you're doing, and I promise you're going to be very successful very soon. It might take a little bit more time, but I promise that this is the right way to fulfill your potential. So that was my story. Thank you very much for listening, and I'll see you very soon at the Sofia Event Center, 8th till 10th of November. See you.